Vivo's mid-range V series gets a new member in the form of the V19 Neo. Let's take a closer look at the features of this new contender in the mid-range segment. Right out of the box, we can see that the Vivo V19 Neo ditched the dewdrop notch and replaced it with a punch hole style selfie shooter. Its 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display features a huge 20:9 screen-to-body ratio. This screen filters out 92.5% of blue light and boasts SGS iCare display certification. The punch hole design serves as a housing for the 32-megapixel front camera that helps users capture high-quality selfies and even group shots. At the back, the phone boasts a quad-camera module laid out similarly to most mid-rangers in the market today. But unlike its competitors, the Vivo V19 Neo boasts Super Night Mode and Super Night Selfie features that enhance clarity even in night shots. Powering the device is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor, complemented by 8GB of RAM with 128GB of built-in storage. It runs on FunTouch OS X based on Android 10. The V19 Neo also has a 4500 mAh battery supported by a rapid dual-engine fast-charging system. The device is recharged through a 33-watt USB Type-C charger that comes in the package, alongside a pair of earphones and protective case. The Vivo V19 Neo, available in Admiral Blue and Crystal White, is priced at 17,999 pesos.